Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today we'll go over advanced budgets in our budgets tool. We have a separate video that covers the basic budgets, and this video assumes you've either watched that video or you're already familiar with the budgeting tool in ClearCheckbook. The ClearCheckbook Premium membership unlocks several new budgeting features, including 4 new types of advanced budgets. These new budgets are grouped, combo, income percent, and income budgets. Let's go to the budgets page and look at each of these types of budgets in a little more detail. First, click on budgets at the top of the page, then click on the blue Add Budget button. We'll start with the grouped budgets. Grouped budgets are essentially a way to combine multiple budgets into one. You can select multiple accounts and categories, and any transactions added to one of those will be included in this budget. To give an example of how this may be useful, let's say you're trying to reduce the amount of money you spend on travel and entertainment. Rather than setting up 2 different budgets, you can create a group budget and select both the entertainment and travel categories. We'll set this budget up with a $300 limit and give it the name Reduce Frivolous Spending. When the budget is added, you'll see the budget with a paperclip icon next to it, which identifies this as a grouped budget. When you click on the budget to expand it, you'll see a group details section that lets you know which accounts or categories make up the grouped budget. In this example, we're already getting close to our budget limit, so we know to rein in our spending for the rest of the month. Next up, we have combo budgets. Combo budgets are a way to set budgets that only include a combination of accounts and categories. This could be beneficial if you have a joint credit card with your spouse and only want to track your eating out spending on that card, ignoring any personal accounts you may have. To do this, select your joint credit card from the account list and then your eating out category. You can select as many accounts and categories as needed to satisfy your budget need. We'll say we want to limit ourselves to $275 per month in eating out expenses. We'll call the budget Eating Out Reduction. When added, you'll see combo budgets have a chain link icon next to them. When expanded, you'll see a breakdown of which accounts and categories make up the combo budget. The third advanced budget is the income percent budget. In all the other budget examples we've seen, you have to enter an exact budget amount. The income percent budget works by basing the budget off of the deposits made to the budget. This is a good way to restrict your spending so you never spend more than you make in a given time frame. In this example, we'll say we want to save 25% of any income made to our checking account. In that case, we'll set the percent of income to 75 and then select our checking account. When added, you'll see how your expenses compare to the income deposited into the budget. For this example, we were paid $2,731.55 for our salary. 75% of that amount is the $2,048.66 budget listed. We can expand the budget and click on the budget name to see both the income and expenses made to the budget. The last type of advanced budget was briefly mentioned in our basic budgeting video. This is the income budget. Every budget we've talked about so far has been for tracking your expenses against a certain budgeted amount. The income budget does the reverse of this. It tracks how much income you've deposited into a budget against the budgeted amount. Let's say you don't work an hourly job and need to earn $3,400 per month to cover your expenses plus a little extra for savings. Enter $3,400 into the amount field and select the account you deposit your money into. We'll leave the duration and reset day as the default, but change this as needed for your situation. The last step is to check the income budget option. When the budget is added, you'll see the line graph icon next to the budget name, which identifies it as an income budget. The limit will show the $3,400 we entered, and the amount will show how much has already been deposited to the budget. I hope this quick glimpse at the advanced budgeting features in ClearCheckbook has been informative. For more information on budgeting, please head to ClearCheckbook.com and visit our help section. We have an entire knowledge base article dedicated to budgets.